that is important in trade is ITC. Clearly, that will be listing on the Bourses on the 29th, which is tomorrow. I have my colleague Somit who joins in to get us more of the modalities of the same. Somit, over to you.
Well, yes, ITC Hotel will be listing on both the exchanges, that is NSE and BSE, on January 29th. Now, the last discovered price on NSE was around 260 and on the Bombay Stock Exchange was close to 270 rupees. Now, based on this discovered price, if you look at the market capitalization of ITC Hotels on listing, could be anywhere between 54 to 56,000 crore rupees. Now, on basis of market capitalization, ITC Hotels will be the second largest hotel company by market cap. But when you look at valuations, that is a 12-month forward EV to EBITDA, ITC Hotels will be the most expensive hotel company in India, much ahead of, in fact, Indian hotels as well. ITC Hotels at a valuation of 54 to 56,000 crore rupees would trade at 12-month forward EV to EBITDA of 41 to 43 times, while currently, if you look at Indian hotels, that trades at close to 32 times, while EIH and Chalet Hotels trade anywhere between 20 to 22 times 12-month forward EV to EBITDA. Now, what will be the impact on all the indices of which ITC Hotels is currently a part? For MSCI, if you look at, it will be moved out of the standard index to the small cap index, given the fact that its market capitalization is at around 54 to 56,000 crore rupees. It will qualify to be a part of the small cap index and not the MSCI standard index. Now, when it comes to Nifty50 and Sensex, it will be excluded out of both these indices from February 1st, 2025. And if stock hits an upper or lower circuit on the exclusion day, then the exclusion would be postponed by another 2 days. This is as per the stock exchange notification. However, whenever the exclusion happens for ITC Hotels, that is when it moves out of the Nifty50 and the Sensex 30 index, there could be an outflow of close to 165 million US dollars, because that will be the passive outflow for ITC Hotel, and this is expected as per Nuvama alternative. However, this 165 million US dollars forms nearly 2.6% of the market capitalization of ITC Hotels.
Thanks for getting us the details. ITC is down around 0.9%. Lancelot, your view, would you advise investors post the listing to buy ITC Hotels?
Not at this point in time, because, as you have seen, the valuations are on the higher side. It trades even higher than, at an EV EBITDA of almost 42 times, which is even higher than that of Indian Hotels, which is the market leader in the space. So I think one should wait, because since this rejig of the index will also happen, and ITC Hotels will be moved out, there could be a potential selling that will come in as people who are following the index realign their portfolios with the index movement, and that could reduce the see some selling happen there and bring the prices down. But I think valuation at this point in time, given that 54,000 crores is fairly high or fairly expensive as a market cap for a company which is not generating that kind of profits. So maybe whenever there's a correction, one can definitely look at adding that to the portfolio, because longer term there is definitely opportunity to grow, and there may be some acquisitions as well. So that's something which one can wait for these kind of triggers in terms of getting additional upside.